Grand Rising. Thank God for life. We returned to Sunshine City to minimal plant damage, and of course, our beautiful papaya tree felt the effects of Hurricane Ian. Oh, it's very sad. But we are grateful for life. We thank God our home is intact, and yes, we're going to be starting all over again. And we pray for those in Fort Myers and in all the surrounding areas in Florida that are affected by the hurricane. God bless and keep safe all.